Sanibonani, ngiyanibingelela nonke enibuka le video kule channel. I-channel yethu ikhuluma nge-Maths and Physics, uploada ama-videos based on that grade 11 up to grade 12, yabona, kukanjalo. Yeah, if-ke is the first time uhlangana nale video or le channel, then for ukuthi-ke ingakudukeli mhlawumbe ama-videos, then or for indlela yokubonga ngabonga ukuthi usubscribe to the channel, yabo, into ekanjalo. Then-ke siqala kanje, equation 1.3, equation eyodwa le ithi given that f of x is equal to x squared plus 3x mese is equal also futhi 2x minus t of x all to exponent of half is equal to 0, or square root of t of x equal to 0. Base bethi-ke for which values of k will the equation lena have ama-equal roots, yabona. Shuthi-ke angithi yabona le equation injani, ino f of negative x ibe no t of 2x. U-f of negative x la kuno f khona ilaphayana, la kuno t khona ilaphayana. Shuthi thina kumele siqale sithole bani u-f of negative x using le equation simthole, mase sithola bani u-t of 2k, yabona. Sithole u-t of 2k kule equation le, mase khona u-t of 2k zo2 se-substitute, then siyenza-ke ibe linear equation yethu, mase kuyilapho khona so-determine ini ama-values of k for le equation, lapho izoba khona nama-equal roots. If-ke inama-equal roots kusuke kunjani, if kunama-equal roots kusuke kunjani, u-delta wethu usuke equal to 0. U-delta yini? U-b squared minus 4ac. U-b squared minus 4ac equal to u-delta. This is u-delta wethu, udetermine ama-roots. Yeah, kusho ukuthini-ke into yokuqala yini, equation yethu angithi yabona ukuthi no f of negative x, kusho ukuthi thina okokuqala kumele sithole u-f of negative x, yabona, ngoba ngesikwazi ukusolve u-f of negative x ukuze sithole ama-roots esase kanje. Shuthi-ke kumele sim-express as ini ilokhu njani expression, yabona. Expression yethu-ke naku ku-f of x. For u-f of negative x, u-f of x wethu is equal to x squared plus 3x. For u-f of negative x, lento ekutshela ukuthi-ke lana sibe nobani no-negative x, maps bani, maps i-value ka-y yethu, yabona, i-value ka-y, yabo, i-value ka-y ethize. Lento isho lokho ngoba iseyithi u-f of negative x, yabona, shuthi lapha esikhaleni sa-x, lesikhali sila vele sa-x, kodwa manje sekunobani, sekuno-negative x, yabo. Shuthi-ke sino f of bani, sim-substitute esikhaleni sa-x sifaka bani, u-negative x, nala kusho kona ukuthi ba-substitute bani, u-negative x, yabona. Kanje is equal to bani, u-minus x, esikhaleni sa-x sifaka u-negative x, yabo. Mase sithi all squared plus 3 into bani minus x, yabo, kanje minus x. Kuba ubani-ke lo, kuba u-x squared, esikhaleni sa-x be-substitute u-x o-negative x minus 3x. Nayi-ke ilokhu njani yokuqala, u-f of negative x. Okwesibili sithola bani, u-2 of 2k. Nangi i-equation yethu ithi 2x minus u-t of x one-exponent obani, e1 over 2, e1 over 2 equal to 0. Thina ngithi sifuna ukuthola bani u-t of 2x, shuthi laphayana esikhaleni sa-x sekukhona bani u-2k, yabo. Shuthi-ke so transpose t of x angithi kanje 1 over 2 noma square root is equal to bani u-2x, uyabona. Si-transpose lo y ngale lona sale laphayana. Shuthi-ke senza njani, angithi thina sifuna u-t of 2x, u-t of 2x of 2k, sorry, akanayo exponent, yabona, akanayo. Shuthi kumele sisuse le-exponent 1 over 2. Sisusa kanjani-ke? Sisusa ngobani, ngokuthi si-squarishe khona uzokwazi ukuthi le part u2 multiply u1 over 2 okuzokhipha bani u-positive 1. siyazi i-exponent o-1 ayinankinga, yabona? Shuthi-ke sesinobani? T of x sekuphelile ngalo 1 over 2 kunalo 2 is equal to u-4x squared. If lo 2 angithi 2 uma kuyina-multiplication wenza njani? I-exponent, yabo, izofika ithi i-multiply i-exponent o-1 la kuba u-2 squared, i-multiply i-exponent la u-1 kuba u-x squared. Kanje kuyafana ne-square root. Ne-square root, if kuyi-square root sifike sibe i-square root of le number and the square root of this number at the same time. Kuwena multiplication between lezo y'number zoyi-2 ezinama-square roots. Kuba kanje nala sebenza ngendlela efanayo. Khani-ke sofuna bani? U-t of 2k bese ayilungisa is equal to u-4 bese kubani? U-2k la, 2k squared. Kanje bese sithi 2 of 2k is equal to bani? La nala kuzoba u-4 kuba ubani-ke? U-16k squared. Uyabona? U-t of 2k ukanje. Bese kukhani-ke thina siza lapha kule equation yethu lethi f of negative x equal to t of 2k all over, plus la, yes, plus kune-addition sign. Bese kuba u-4 equals to 0. Kukanjena-ke thina nangu f of negative x sizomsubstitute la ukubani? X squared as expression x squared minus u-3x plus ubani? U-16k squared. U-16k squared u-2 of 2k, yabona? 16k squared over 4 equal to 0. Bese kuba kanjani-ke? U-x squared minus 3x lana 16 divided by 4 ubani? U-positive 4k squared is equal to bani? 0. Ilana khona-ke vele masizodethimana ama-fruits it's either equal or unequal. Fene equation lesuke ikhona ilo i-value ewa-right hand side kuba u-0 fune ibe equal to 0, then-ke khane sizodethimana i-value ka-a, ka-b and c cause udelta wethu for ama-equal roots for equal roots udelta must be equal to 0 or b squared minus 4ac equal to 0. B squared minus 4ac uyena delta wethu, yabona? Shuthi lo kumele kulana u-0. Thina senza lana-ke nali imake elizolithola kumele wazi for ama-equal roots kumele udelta wethu alingana no-0 kanje. Mese-ke wenza njani-ke? Uzodetermine lana ukuthi-ke ubani i-value ka-a angithi yabona ithi ine-quadratic form x squared shuthi is in a term of a squared minus plus ake sithi plus bx plus u-c i-quadratic form cause kunani? Kuno-exponent, then-ke kune-exponent ewu-2 kwi-variable ewubani? Of ewu-x angithi yabona? Ewu-x x uyarelate u-k just ulaphayana ekugcineni uyedwa. Shuthi-ke i-value ka-a ax squared kanje u-a i-value ka-a la ubani? U-1. Shuthi-ke b squared minus 4ac sesubstitute-ke la u-b wethu ubani? U-negative 3 all squared minus 4 i-value ka-a ubani? U-1. I-value ka-c ubani? I-value ka-c ile part engalena engenayo u-x, yabona? Since sidila ngo-x enawo x shuthi ubani? U-4k squared wonke loyana kumele kulayene ubani? No-0 for ama-equal roots. Mase ulana-ke angithi sithiwa sidetermine ama-values of k since u-k substitute of the formula kuzophuma ubani-ke lana 4 multiplied by 4 u-16 bese siya-transpose-ke kuba u-16k squared is equal to ubani? U-9 okuwu-3 squared, negative 3 squared. U-k squared is equal to 9 over 16, yabona? Senza njani thina? Sifuna bani? U-k. Bathe ama-values of k, values of k, not values of k squared. Senza njani-ke ukuthi si-remove lo 2 lo la phezulu cause sifuna u-k. senza njani for squared for squared for squared simremova nge-square root. Shuthi ke sifaka i-square root on both sides of equation yethu. Yeah, sorry for i-brightness ukuthi ke ibe low. Sifake bani square root. If usifaka square root kuba plus or minus, plus or minus. Shuthi ke plus or minus laphayana, then plus or minus, then bese siba no k is equal to bani 3 over 4 or positive. K is equal to minus 3 over 4. Yabo 3 over 4 positive or negative 3 over 4 kanje equals plus or minus. Square root out 3 over 4, then it's plus or minus. Yeah, then again seyiyabonakala kahle. Sifake la senza ngendlela right ke kanje. Then ama values of k ile iwo2 lama values of k. Sesiqedile ke bekubani beku 5 marks. Yeah.